Ayan na siya. Ayan na. Dali ah. Sandali. Kailangan ko makapasok.
Hello po.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, VP. Good afternoon.
Kumusta po kayo?
Yes, I'm here. Alam mo naman ako. Crowd Relations Officer.
Mahirap na ito maliit.
He is happy to know that he is continuing to receive love and support from Filipino communities all over the world. He is happy to see us.
Meron po mga situations sa loob. Beyond our control. Nandun lang siya sa loob. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened in work.
Maybe this is the first time that
How has this uplifted the spirit of your well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Oh my God.
It's lovely to see, VP, it's lovely to see you smiling po.
Thank you, ma'am.
VP, Marlica po muli. Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Gusto po namin.
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Sweet naman.
And then Kitty,
Kitty, yeah, go.
na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi
Go na yan.
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. Ngayon, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is healing.
Nice. May advice ba siya sa'yo?
Secret.
At ka muna, about boyfriend. Na-shock ba siya?
Feeling siya, pero sa sunod na.
Okay, sige. Alright. Thank you.
sa legal side, Nicholas Kaufman. So he's the only person that can talk about what they've been doing with regard to the matters inside the ICU. Okay lang. Not a problem. I'm just waiting for one more document and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. But personally,
Are you going back to the Philippines after that?
yes, opo. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan. Ako muna? Okay, ako muna. Sige. I think that I don't have the word right now. I only have happy, but it's the incorrect word to describe it. But blessed. I'm blessed because I gave the sister with what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential contacts, the impeachment, and we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm happy that I have a sister kasi meron akong pagagalitan. So, growing up, wala akong ganon, but meron akong yan ngayon. Pinagagalitan na kapatid. And then, I'm happy as well. And this ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about the family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work. He was always busy with the country. And now I have this every day with him talking about life, talking about family. And for that, I feel like I am blessed.
Bless. Yeah.
Because at this point, he's already 80 and he's already retired. Not going back as mayor, baka busy na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. So, meron kami time. Nabigyan kami ng ganitong time. Makapag-usap as a fatherland.
Nice kayo.
Yes, actually. Sad lang that it has to happen inside ICC.
Pero there is
Inside the
there is a
detention.
good side.
But yes, thank you sa kanya.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
He is really happy to see us. As I have told him, that the family has never been more united, not just with our siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So he's happy to hear that. And not just us, sa mga supporters din. Yes. I told him of that. I told him that especially on his birthday, there were people with speakers. They brought speakers and microphones. They were singing happy birthday something. He knows that and he's very happy to hear that. I told him all the support everywhere in the world. Everywhere in the Philippines and everywhere. There is a small, hindi naman buffet, pero parang a small, may mga sa labas ng bahay niya in Davao City, the main house. People were able to set up tents there para for the, yes, I heard also. I was not able to see it, but I heard. And then may mga like there are snacks for people who want to stay there and watch over his house. So he's very happy and grateful.
JP, hindi ka naman ba sinisimuli ni PRRD na hindi, kasalanan mo kasi to kaya ako nandito dahil nakipag-unite ka sa Marcos?
Wala.
Wala.
Ever since.
Sorry, VP.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ever since. Wala siyang
That's nice.
sinabi sa akin na ganyan. Even when I ran for Vice President, ma'am, wala naman talaga
Wala
siyang
siyang
sinabi. Sinabi lang niya, hindi na ako sasali dyan. At kayo nang mag-desisyon yan. Yan lang yung sinabi niya when he was approved by one of my siblings that I'm running for Vice President. And
Wala talaga. That's good to know po. Thank you.
I don't remember PRD na naninisi.
Naninisi. Wala. That's nice.
Never. Kasi I always remember him. I don't know, kid, with you, but I always remember him when I was growing up. He would always say, you make your own history in this. Oh, sorry.
Nice.
So you always answer your decisions. So I think that is his philosophy as well.
Mhm.
So he doesn't blame anyone with what happened. He always says, I did it for my company.
Yes.
He always says,
Repeatedly.
Okay.
The two boys po, are they coming?
the Paulo and
Yes po.
We're talking about Paulo and Baste. Let's see.
There are plans. Ito naman, we arrange this pag-aalis yung isa, may dadating na naman na isa. So, as of now, we are arranging all the dates since most of them are busy with the campaign.
If you pardon me, I understand this is something legal, but we just want to hear your side. Kasi po, sabi po niya, yung partner, tinatrabaho na raw po yung interim release. Meron pa po ba kayo nakikita malaki before filing one, or how soon will you file this? At sa Pilipinas, mo po ba gustong ma-release course, may panawagan kayo na bring him home to the Philippines, to Davao City. But just for the record, we just want to hear if sa Pilipinas niyo po gusto siyang ma-release kasi may sinasabi po yung palasyan. Let me quote, does it mean that we have to recognize that ICC has jurisdiction over the Philippines? I believe the family of the former President Duterte is asking and praying from the Supreme Court that the government should not cooperate with the ICC. So it means that if we will not cooperate with the ICC, even that prayer or even that manifestation of the ICC will not take cognizance of that regarding or relating to the request to have him released in the Philippines.
With regard to the interim release, no, I do not know really, truly, honestly, I do not know what the steps are the lawyers are doing with regard to the interim release. But as I told you before, I fear for his life in the Philippines. But we follow what the client wants, what President Duterte wants, and he wants to do so. And yes, and everyone wants him
To go back.
to go home to the Philippines. And the Buenos want him to go because they will be his owner for the next
But with regards to what the palace said, ma'am, yung sinasabi po nila na kapag yun po yung hihilingin, does this mean that we have to recognize the ICC, that it has jurisdiction over the Philippines? Eh wala na nga po jurisdiction.
wala naman po kaming hinihingi sa palace. We did not ask for the palace for anything. So, I do not know what they are talking about.
I think the context was kapag sa inirelease sa Pilipinas ang isang detained, kailangan sumunod sa lahat ng kondisyon ng ICC, yung bansang pagdadalhan ng detained. In this case, if then they should follow all the conditions of the ICC. And in that case, if it's removed, parang nasa jurisdiction pa rin tayo ng ICC.
Well, that is something that they have to think about. The administration has to think about what their next steps are. So, they should not ask the family, they should not ask the Filipino people on what their next steps are with regard the talk on the return of former President of the Philippines. Maybe when they've decided, if ever they will decide what their next steps are, if ever it is even discussed inside the halls of the palace. Think about what their plans are. The government plans to do with the return of
Not on a different line. Yung mother.
my mother, she doesn't want that she talked about or discussed. So let's keep her privacy.
Okay.
What about your reaction to House President Senate tell VP Duterte to answer impeachment committee, sabi legally sound? And Representative Zamora said may guidelines sa pag-liquidate ng confidential funds. Kung pwede man ng fictitious names, dapat daw nakatiklara ang totoong pangalan nila sa mga company para sa mga nagawa po tayo ng movie and naniniwala ang House na prosecution na palalakas sa impeachment case nila.
So, yun ang mga paniniwala nila. Pabayaan na natin sila.
Correct.
Doesn't have to be yung paniniwala nila. Yung paniniwala din ng taong bayan. Paniniwala ng Tugnaw dyan kayo, ma'am.
Naka-warmer naman yata siya.
Bata pa naman siya bata pa si Kitty. Kaya malakas pa.
Meron po kayong balak na assistant sa mga Filipinos na na-arrest?
Yes, oo. I already endorsed it the moment that I knew about it. I read it in the brief sa Office of the Vice President. I already endorsed to them to reach out through the correct channels on what we can do to assist as an office, the Office of the Vice President. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.